I started as a production operator, and somewhere along the way, here I am as an HR specialist. If you have that drive and you have ambition and you have the right role models, there is no stopping anybody. You just have to dig in and you have to just go for it. My name's April Karnehm, and I'm the Human Resource Specialist at the Palatka plant. We find talent, recruit, onboard. So basically, we are that first person that speaks with the candidates. I've always been a people person. It's always been something that I love to do. Through the company, it's just been, I've realized my dreams. Just looking back on the many years that I've been here, I impressed myself. I've done so many different things here. I've always kind of gravitated towards industry, manufacturing, because my parents both worked in that field. I was a mill operator for 9 years. I also worked in receiving, so the unloading of raw materials. Anything that has a motor here, I could operate at one time or another. The growth and development that I got throughout the years that I've been here, made me who I am today. I don't feel like I would be as good in my role as an HR specialist if I had not had all the training and the background out in production. I know what they're about to go through. So for me, it's a personal thing. Starting as a female in a mostly male-dominated industry, you would hear things like, oh, she's not gonna make it, or you hear things like that, and that's okay, because I'm here to prove them wrong, and I did that. I think because of my background, I've always been pretty confident, but I could see where other women would maybe be a little intimidated, when they come into the workforce and they see that maybe they're the only one there, or maybe just a handful. But look, we have these females that are just rocking it. They're moving through the ranks, they're moving up the ranks, and they're not letting anything get in their way. So I think that, just conversation, just seeing those examples is important. My name is April Karnehm, and I am a manufacturer.